Where you going? Where you go? Party's over here. Wait. I'm edible. I swear I'll let you bite me. My plan was to get mauled. Apparently this cat is not down with the mauling. Such fearsome eyes. How do you do this? It's like freaking concrete. I could understand prone positioning through like piles of mud, but this is like crawling on sandpaper. It's so abrasive. Oh my God, it's so abrasive. This cat has got me crawling through the abrasiveness into the jungle. The mighty cat, ready to pounce. Fierceness, fierce gaze. Though I outweigh the cat by like 1,000,000 pounds, I'm so fat. The cat is so lean. That's not jealousy speaking, that's just an observation. Here goes the cat into the... Maybe it's sneaking around behind me. I'd swear if I didn't know science, I'd swear you were like laying eggs or something. What are you doing? Are you waiting for like a rat to pass by? Just happenstance? Are you waiting for a bird to fall into the jungle? Maybe you can creep up on it. I'm ruining your chances. Every second I stay here leads her further and further away from her kill. I could upset the balance of nature at this point if I infringe too much on her territory and her rights to prey as a predator. Millions of years of predatory instinct all culminate into this one second, this one event to prey. It's her right. For food has been short in this area. It's this or starvation. The cat seems to see something lurking in the distance. What is it? What could it be? A bird? A bird by chance? Is it a bird? The ability of this cat to climb is incredible. But I doubt, very much so, that this amazing creature will be able to scale the slippery poles of this home, this bird home, bird house, this friggin' thing that the birds live in, whatever the heck it is, with its gourds hanging. But the birds must be calling the belly of the cat. Ferocious cat spotted again. Oh. My goal, to hunt down the terrible cat, the great cat, the predator, the beast that I believe has been devouring these precious, harmless birds.